Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and find the option Screen Timeout. And here you've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, at the bottom, the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 2 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately marked, and it is also immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will black out automatically after 2 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.